Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir Rahman and I'm from IUM. Now I'm going to present about our final year project, which is CIMS, Cyber Security Incident Management System, that my partner Muhammad Aiman Hakim bin Abdul Talib and I developed, that were supervised under our lecturer, Assistant Professor Dr. Nurul Noha. These are the content for the presentation. We have objective, aim, problems, goals, system development and system output. And after that, we will continue with the system demonstration. Now let's move to the first objective. Okay, the first objective is to support small medium sized business SMEs in their management so that their performance will improve. Okay, for the second one, the security concern of SME were the main topic of this project. Okay, our project will focus mainly on the SME. We want to help the SME in managing their company. Okay, now let's move to the next point, which is the aim of the project. Just like I said just now, the first point is to help small and medium enterprise to organize their business. Okay, the next point is by managing their cyber security with the aid of the system, they may improve the performance of the system. Okay, now let's move to the problem that we have detect that lead to the development of the system. Okay, the first one is due to financial restriction, SMEs are unable to manage cyber security problem. And for the second point, due to a shortage of cyber security talent, SME also lack of human resource to handle cyber security within their organization. And last but not least, for the point, tools for reporting cyber security incidents currently available on the market are too expensive and out of the budget for SME. So we believe that by developing our system, it may help the SME in managing their company. And now I will pass the floor to my partner, Brother Aiman Hakim, to continue with the presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day. My name is Aiman Hakim Abdul Muttalib. So, the next slide is system development. We have three main features, which the first news features to post news about the latest on cybersecurity topic. The admin of the web application can set the current main topic of cybersecurity, and the users can access the news within the web application. The next one is ticketing system, which is the main function is to manage the incident in the company with the ticketing system. And there also a dashboard for the admin or the user to look at the current tickets that are open, and also the infographics for them to look. And the last one is the allow users to scan virus on their files and website. So here is the system output. For the dashboard, as you can see, there are ticket churns, top incident reported by category. For example, we have security, network, hardware, and so on, and also the ticket creator. For ticket churns, what it means by this is that for a given month, we can see the admin can see the amount of ticket that are being created, and also the amount of ticket that are being done. So let's move on to the next. Okay, so here is the ticketing page where the user and the admin can create tickets. For this specific page is for admins, where they can edit the status and also add the assignee. So here is the form for creating ticket. As you can see, the name, the email, security incident category, the description, priority, assignee, and also the status. And in this case, admin can choose which assignee to put on the ticket, and also the admin can set the status. For example, in this case, in progress. And the next is the cyber news, which a news page where the user can look at the current cybersecurity news. For example, we have the 6 news here. So the user can look at the current security posture nowadays. Okay, for the system output of the user, for a, ticketing page, the user can only create tickets, but they cannot edit or delete the tickets. And I think that's all. Thank you.
This is our landing page. The user will see this page first when they are using our web system. As you can see, there's a login button here for user to log in our system, and there's a button here that will directly bring the user to the dashboard page. Okay, this is the interface of our landing page. In this section, there's information about our web system, which is CIMS. For example, CIMS is a web application for organization to manage cybersecurity incident. And below are the functionalities of CIMS. This section will preview the features of our web system. For example, incident reporting, cyber news, malware file scanning, malware website scanning, manage incident, dashboard, admin panel, and notification. Yeah, for my part, I mainly develop the user panel, and for my partner part, which is brother Hakim Talib, he is responsible for the admin panel. This is the login page for our web system. Now I'm going to enter my email as a user and my password. Okay, this is the dashboard page for the user interface. So you can see in this dashboard page, there's notification part here. If the user create a new ticket, or the admin has edited their ticket or assigned any workers for the ticket, the notification will appear in this section. The dashboard page also we have the data entry of the user ticket. For example, we have this new user past 30 days, ticket. We also have ticket chain, top user report by category, and top ticket creator. The user also can download the graph into SVG, PNG, and CSV. Okay, now let's move to the ticket page. Alright, this is the ticket page for the user interface. Now let's try to create a new ticket here. Okay, as you can see, the ticket detail will store in this ticket table. In this table has the ticket ID, ticket description, ticket signing, priority, category, creator, creator email, creator and the status of the ticket. Beside that, the user also will receive an email notification that will indicate that their ticket has already been created, and the admin also will receive the email if any ticket was created by the user. Now let's move to the next feature, which is the news features. Alright. The user can read any news that the admin has already set with the keyword. In this case, the admin set the keyword to cyber news. So this page will only preview news that were related to the keyword, which is the cyber news. Besides that, user also can click on the title of the news if they want to read on the news in more detail, for example like this. It will bring them directly to the link of the news itself. Now let's move to the next features, which is virus scanning. In virus scanning, we have two modes, which is virus scanner for website and file. We will move to website first. Okay, this is the interface for website malware scanner. Okay, we use five antivirus: AutoShun, CRDF, Serada, Forcepoint, TrackSecure, and Fortinet. For example, let us try these features. We will scan Twitter. The result will appear like this. Now let's move to the next features, which is file scanner. Okay, this is the interface for the file malware scanner here. We also use 5 antivirus, which is Avast, Avira, Bitdefender, Siren, and Microsoft. Now I will show you how the user will scan their file. Okay, and the result will appear like this. All the antivirus has already scanned the file, and it should result the file is a clean file. So that's all from me and from the user.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hakim Mutalib. I will be presenting the admin point of view in our system dashboard. And here is the dashboard. The main difference between a user and an admin is the notification. For example, the admin has a specific notification about the ticket. For example, here you can see the name of the ticket creator and the email, and also the ticket ID and the time the ticket has been created, and also the priority. So if we take a look at the ticket page, here we can see the ID and the description of the ticket, the assignee, priority, category, creator, creator email, created ad, and also the status. The main difference between admin and user is that the admin can edit, update, or delete the ticket. For example, here I will edit the ticket with, and as you can see, the ticket has been updated. And if you take a look at the dashboard, and as you can see, the ticket has been updated here. As you can see, the date of the ticket, when is the ticket has been updated, and also the ID. And if you take a look at the email here, every time the ticket has been updated, it will send an email to all the admins and also the user. And now let's take a look at the news page. The main difference between an admin and the user in this news page is that the admin can set a keyword, a certain keyword for the news. For virus scanner, the user and the admin have the same view. There's no difference between an admin and a user. And an admin can access the administration page, which consists of 4 page: admins, users, roles, and also the permission page. And okay, if you take a look at the admin page, here you can see the list of all the admins, the names, the roles, the emails, and when they join. And as an admin, I can also edit the current admin. And you can see the admin table has been updated. The name is the same, but the role is different. For example, here you can see Hakim has become a developer. And next is the user page. In this page, it consists of all the current users in the system. For example, you have almost 50 users here, and we can also edit the current user, and we can also create a new user. And you can see Aiman has been created and inserted into the table. And here is the role page. As you can see, as of right now, we have 3 roles in the system, which is admin. Admin can create, read, update, delete user. Admin can create, read, update, delete roles. Admin can create, read, update, delete permission. Admin can read and update admins. Admin can create, read, update, and delete tickets. And admin can also update the news. For the developer can read user, read roles, read permission, read admin, create a ticket, and also read the ticket table. And as for the users, they can create and read ticket only. And for the last part is the permission. Here, as you can see, the permission name, description, and created. For example, we have update news permission name, and also the description and when it's created. For example, I can create a new permission, and you can see a new role has been created. And you can also delete. Permission has been deleted. And I think that's all for the system. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.